next to the morons who walk in the crosswalk when they are not supposed to. The worst thing about driving downtown Nashville is the idiot drivers. Now, there's a turning lane, but it doesn't start until right about here. This person is going against the traffic where it's not even their lane, and then this lady's doing the same thing. I've got a truck behind me, honking at me. I can't back up, and here she's refusing to move. Like she can't do anything better than just sit there. And look at how stupid she is. She's alone in the car, and she's wearing a mask. What's up with that?
Back up.
Kind of proof of how dumb she is. The guys in the white Jeep are kind of yelling at her. There's a dude over here on the sidewalk, and he comes out to kind of explain to her, you're not even in your lane of traffic. And she's like, oh, I want to go that way. I get out to explain exactly how stupid she is. And she's like, well, I just wanted to make a left. Well, I said, you don't go into oncoming traffic to do that. You stay in your own lane of traffic back that way. I'm going northbound, she's going southbound, and she is in our lane of traffic. To make matters worse, now there's a fire truck coming up behind me. What a complete idiot. So this guy's trying to get her off the road and out of the way. I'm trying to go northbound and get out of the way of the fire truck, which is now coming up behind the truck, behind me.
There's a fire truck!
Oh, she's so stupid. And now look, there's another car. That car is going against traffic as well. And I've got to find a way to get out of the way so this fire truck can make its way. There's even a taxi behind me there. So I pull over here to the right. Eventually I do pull into this intersection because they have the street blocked off there. That taxi goes right on by. Look at how long it takes this fire truck to get through this traffic because of that other person who is going head on into them. If you do this, you deserve to lose your license and have your vehicle crushed because you are a complete moron just like that lady.
Wi-Fi on.